Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by removing obvious bottlenecks. Update Roblox and your phone OS, then close all background apps and force stop anything using CPU or network. Once done, switch to a stable Wi-Fi 5 GHz or a strong cellular signal to reduce packet loss and latency. Make sure low power modes that throttle CPU are disabled while gaming, because they cut performance. These first steps free memory and CPU headroom, so Roblox can run smoothly before we change in game and OS settings. Next, switch your phone into game mode or a performance profile to prioritize CPU/GPU for Roblox. Then open Roblox settings. Choose manual graphics and lower render quality, reducing resolution and effects to cut GPU load. Use an FPS cap of 30 or even 15 for smoother frame delivery on weak devices. Clear the Roblox cache in app settings and ensure storage permissions are allowed so assets load from disk instead of stalling. Together, these steps reduce frame drops and long asset stalls. To finish, restart your phone to flush lingering processes and then test Roblox in a low-player server to isolate network versus device issues. If stutters continue, reinstall Roblox to remove corrupt files. Make sure the device isn't overheating. Thermal throttling kills frame rates, so remove cases and cool the phone. If problems persist after all steps, check for rogue background services or a failing storage module. One quick troubleshoot tip: run a lightweight system monitor while playing to spot unexpected CPU or network spikes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.